Chew well. Whatever food you eat, be sure to chew it carefully before swallowing. Most digestive processes regarding nutrient absorption occur in the mouth before swallowing food on the floor. By the time food gets to your stomach, you have already absorbed a lot of nutrients that you will get out of that food. That means most of what reaches your stomach is processed into waste or fat. By chewing your food well before swallowing, you ensure that you get the maximum nutrition you can get from that food, thus eliminating your need for extra food to get that energy benefit. In other words, by chewing more, you are eating less. And by eating less, your body produces less waste and fat.